Hello everyone. Today we see about the enzymes which play important role in degradation of lignin. Manganese peroxidase. It is an extracellular heme containing peroxidase with a requirement for Mn2 plus as its substrate that has lignin reducing properties. Manganese peroxidase is produced by the majority of wood decaying fungi and many litter decomposing fungi. It oxidizes Mn2 plus to Mn3 plus, which in turn oxidizes phenolic structures to phenoxyl radicals. Mn3 plus form is highly reactive and complexes with chelating organic acids such as oxalate or malate. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you very much.